Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a short video today. Well, maybe not short, but first I'm going to do a burn-in on this. I'm going to talk about two other little stoves that I have my hands on right now. But we're going to do a burn-in on this one real quick. This is the little rocket stove I got that's completely disassemblable. And we're going to do a burn-in. And first time I put it together, it was a pain, but not that difficult. It was pretty simple. I've seen people out there say, man, that's pain, it's really hard. It's not, just take your time. But I'm gonna set you down and we'll get this. I can't even tell if you can see anything. Hold on. I don't have a very good place to put this difty. Let's see. Is it good? Wet ground. Yeah, it's good enough. Now that my pants are all wet, using one of my homemade fire starters. Got to break them up so the fibers get out. Goes. Let's see if that takes over. Close that. Give you a little top down action. Yeah. Had to wait for a decent day. The last couple days have been super windy. And what's the thing about smoke? No matter where you're at, the smoke finds you. So as you can see there, my little homemade fire starter did a pretty good job of getting it going. Those are simple to make. Get the makeup remover pads from a dollar store or Walmart or Amazon if you wish. Then just dip them in wax. Pretty simple to make. Relatively inexpensive. You can make 200 of them for less than $5. So whew, we got a nice little fire going here. But yeah, we need to burn this in. So we'll be back after we get this burned in a little bit. Okay, welcome back. We're still burning away down there. I added a couple thicker sticks that are slightly damp just to give it a nice long burn in. I dropped a brick on the top, so I had to pull my stove pieces up. Those were burned in pretty good, so we're just gonna let that burn for a while. Then we'll let it cool off and oil her down and put her away. But a couple other options are like these little Sterno stove kits. I do have a couple cans of Sterno for this. Should have been more prepared. But I'm not going to assemble anything. This is just a quick overview of some other options that are outdoor types. Then there's this guy. Let me put this back in here. Close that up. I like to try and keep things together. Alright, that ain't going to close. So, this, as you can tell by the box, is old. And it hasn't been used in forever. This one I can kind of stand up a little bit. Get this out here. I think it's missing a piece. It's missing its roof. The roof! The roof! Where's the roof? That's gonna stink. It's not a very good oven without a roof. Well, that's easy enough to fix. Actually, as you can tell, this is pretty cheap metal, thin. So something to put over top of it, like a cookie sheet or something like that, would actually work. So if you got one and it's missing a piece, like this one is, there's your burning area. Yeah, just put like a cookie sheet or something over it. Oh wait, what's this? What is this? Hold on. Oh, there it is. And, well, it's not missing a thing. Dave just needs to learn to get that locked into place. Of course, there's tabs it can fit into, but yeah, there's tabs here. See, it helps if you look at the instructions. Oh wait, there are none. But now that we got this open, do not use this oven if burning leaded gasoline. Well, that tells you how old it is. We don't have leaded gasoline no more. But yeah, you might want to make sure you get all your little tabs in place when you put it together. But this is an option. Got your little indicator there for your temp. Now, like I said, it's never been used to my knowledge. Hence why it's a little rusty. But that's another option of cooking with. So in, situations where, one thing I don't like about this is that door does not like to stay in place. Let's open that up, get some more air up in there. Whew. There we go. Now we get some more flames going. Anywho, think outside the box if you have to. You can make something like this, if need be, out of some cookie trays or, stuff like that. Make a little box. It might not be very practical for normal daily settings, but in a grid down situation, having a way to bake bread in a little oven would be ideal. Now the only thing this doesn't have, and for all I know, there doesn't have no, this doesn't come out. So it is missing a couple minor pieces. That could go there like that. I'm not going to fiddle with it, but there's no racks in here, and there's nothing here in the box. So there's bits and pieces missing out of the box. It's not a major deal, but you'd want to make some way to set it up so you had a way to support your stuff. And if you take and go to a Dollar Tree or someplace like that, you can buy those little stainless steel racks. Get one that's bigger than what you need, and then cut off the ends and make it so you get some little rods that stick through the holes here. So that's one way to accomplish that. That's probably what I'll do for this. So I'll go to the Dollar Tree and get some of those stainless steel wire racks that are wider than what I need, and then just trim it off so I can sit them in here as needed, so I can bake bread or whatever like that. Gonna have to let this go a little longer. That's it for the video. Just a quick little, things on other ways to cook when needed. And of course, as you can see here with the bricks, I started making something, then I quit. Actually, I was using that to make it. I turned that into a small forge. I had a propane tank there and melted some lead. But yeah, anyway, you can use bricks to make something as well. So, and I've got lots of bricks to play with. So, just use what you've got available. Think outside the box, and you should be able to come up with something in some way to be able to provide food for your family. And yes, I do have some traps for those who are wondering. So, okay, that's it for now. Catch me later. Peace.